This is showing the double-sided vertical manager, front side with doors, rear side with fingers and latches. I'm going to show that assembly and installation. The tools you'll need for the double-sided vertical manager are 7/16 and a 1/4-inch socket and wrench, and of course comes with a hardware bag and the instruction sheet. This is one side of our finger kit. You'll see 3 studs that are attached, and they're going to go through the 3 holes on the back side of the manager. 1, 2, and 3. One thing of note, notice the orientation of my bracket here, pointing in. I simply put my stud in, align all 3, add my washer and nylon nut on the back side. I'm going to install this side the same way, washer and nut. I'm going to go ahead and slide my manager into place now, securing it with my speed washers in 3 places, top, middle, and lower section. I'm going to install this dual pivoting door. There's pins on the top and bottom. Drop my bottom pin into place, my top pin, latch the other side. There are 10 latches that come in this kit. They simply snap onto the finger and latch the other side. You'll have a spacing of every 5 fingers for each latch. For additional information on our SRVM management system, please reach out to the product specialist team.